How to connect Bluehost with Filezilla. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Filezilla and then click File and then open the site manager. Then simply click the new site button and then enter a name for the new site. Then you're gonna have to simply enter the following settings. So where it says host, your domain name or server IP address, port 21, then protocol FTP, encryption use plain FTP, logon type ask for password, and then user your control panel username or the username of an FTP account. And after that, you're gonna have to click the transfer settings tab. Then you're gonna have to select the limit number of simultaneous connection checkbox and set the limit to 8 and then click the connect button, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.